Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to talk about how to rotate, resize, move in ceiling modular. This one. So we click inside and use this wall. Okay, click inside. So we are in ceiling design. So first I'm going to drag out a rectangle. Okay, just to show you. So usually if you want to move, then you just see this sign. Center got a dot, then you see this sign, then you can move it. Or you can change the number here, you can move it. Okay, so for rotate, you can press the button T. Okay, you see this sign, this one is rotate. Okay, so for resize, you can press button T, then you see this one is resize. Okay, you see a scissor, usually it's not scissor, you see this one rectangle also. Okay, for resize button, okay, you can either change the size here. Let's say I put 1200, okay, then this one I put 600. Okay, you see, you can change the number here, resize, and you can move here also. Change the number here to move. Okay. However, you also can use this button also, T. Okay, you see this resize mode already. You can change this number also to resize it. You see, 300. It will extend. So here we have a get 300 and will follow up. Okay. So this may be convenient for you when you're doing ceiling, especially 300. Okay. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.